Want to grow your followers on Instagram from YouTube for free? Then keep on watching this video. Hi, I'm Urvi from Urvi Designs, and today we are going to be talking about how you can grow your Instagram account using YouTube. I know that is very weird because usually people grow their YouTube using their Instagram, but today we are going to go the other way around. We all know YouTube as the powerful search engine. That is what makes YouTube different from Instagram. Now, the videos which we post on Instagram are not discovered by search. The videos which we post on YouTube, however, are discovered by search. So, any of your video you might have posted 2, 3, 4 years ago, they might still be getting views because it is a search engine. People are constantly searching for things on YouTube. There are millions and millions and millions of people searching for things. So, the one great thing is search engine itself. Now, a lot of people I have seen from my personal experience is that people have a YouTube channel, they post searchable content consistently with a good dedication, and that's how they grow their Instagram channels. But I know most of you do not have your own YouTube channel and you just want to grow your Instagram solely. But still, there are so many ways through which you can grow your Instagram using YouTube. The first one being is converting your reels into shorts. Yes, you heard it right. After the TikTok ban, you have seen Instagram coming up with reels and TikTok coming up with a very, very similar version called as shorts. Now, if you see my video on how I get 100k views in 1 month using YouTube Shorts, you might be familiar with the technique which I'm going to be talking right now. So basically, what I do is I do not create separate shorts. Why, you just say? I do not want to invest too much of time into creating so much of content for different platforms that will literally make me feel burnout. Instead, you want to play smart. So basically what I do is my main focus of platform is Instagram. What I do is I make these amazing quality reels on my Instagram for my Instagram, download those reels and I upload the same thing. I repurpose them to my YouTube Shorts. Now again, I'm going to plug my 100k video. If you haven't seen that, you will literally, it is going to be an eye-opener for you because I went from getting 5,000 views a month on YouTube to 100,000 views a month on YouTube. Why? It was only because of YouTube Shorts. Now, once you start posting your reels to your shorts or once you start creating shorts on your YouTube channel, you will see there is a spike because it is a new feature. Again, as I've said, the apps really like to push their new features available. So the new features are available, you post on them, you get views on them, people come to your page. I have gained thousands of subscribers using the shorts feature, and what I've done is I've added my @Urvi, whatever your username is, add your username on your reels, on your shorts, so that whenever people watch those videos, whether it can be on YouTube or Instagram, people are recognizing you as, okay, I know I have seen her videos before. She posts videos on beauty, on fashion, on makeup, whatever those videos are. They will recognize you whenever they scroll through the timeline and they will come ahead and follow you. That is the one thing. One of the main important things is not just to post your reels like that. It is very important to create the perfect reels, create the script of the reels so perfectly that no matter which platform you're posting, TikTok, Reels or YouTube, people will come, you will get views. If you want to know how to create the perfect reels and go viral using reels, check out my masterclass down below. It will be the first link in the description. Now the next thing, which is I would say a bit more time consuming than this one, usually it is I would say not considered as spammy, but people think it is spammy. Now you have to really put it into a different perspective and do not be spammy, please promise me. So the first thing which I've seen a lot of people do is they go to their competitors or their similar channels, they go to the comments and then reply to the audience. Now there are so many YouTubers who gets thousands and thousands and thousands of comments. Now they do not go ahead and reply to every single one. So what you can do is go to their channels, go to their comments, For example, if I'm a photography account, I will probably go to Peter McKinnon's account. I'll go through his comments and I'll see who are the people asking questions, and if I can answer those questions, I will go and I will comment and reply to them. Someone asked me, okay Urvi, can you please tell me what is a perfect full frame camera? My budget is this, I live in India. That's my audience, I am from India. I will go ahead and I'll reply to the person saying, okay, this. Do you get what I'm saying? This way you are building up a friendly connection to the person, and they might come ahead and end up just following you on Instagram, considering if you have added your IG handle over there. Doing this can also help you grow your YouTube channel, but also your Instagram account. And that is how you can grow your Instagram using your YouTube. So that was it for today's video. Let me know what more videos do you want me to make. I am uploading videos every single week over here. So I will see you next time. Till then, bye.